got a title company in Dayton, locally owned title company in Dayton. We are attorney owned and attorney run, owned by two attorneys. I'm an attorney as well with our title company. The benefit of that is, and you can attest to this too, that day before closing, you realize that seller can't sign. Seller's out of the country. Seller's not able to come. So we need a POA drafted up. Well, I mean, these are things that I've drafted at the closing table almost. We walk in for a seller pre-sign, and it's not who we thought was going to show up. It was a POA. And in fact, in this case, we actually were able to do a remote online notarization to get the actual person that needs to sign but wasn't there. We got them on, we got them notarized, we got the POA, so that the person who showed up was able to sign.
Oh, that's good.
So these are legal documents, powers of attorney or different memorandums of trust, or if husband and wife or two spouses were married and one passed away and now the survivor is now selling and there needs to be an affidavit to transfer the survivorship interest over. These are all things that we can do in-house, and we do in-house as part of the closing instead of having to farm it to an outside counsel. So there is benefit. And then, of course, at the closing table, we have multiple closers. Our two owners, Ann Taylor and Jeff Gamble, who are attorneys as well, myself, and then we have others, non-attorneys, but closers and different types of title agents. We all close. So you might have me, you might have Ann, you might have Jeff, you might have anyone else in the company closing. So there's a benefit to that because issues do come up.
Sure.